Okay, so this time I did not include, basically the meaning of each one. Hopefully you understand that these are like represents kind of like equations, but but this is actually a recipe. Very much is a very good analogy based on the chemical reactions that we do in chemistry here. So in here, keep in mind that this is 3 cups of waffle mix plus 2 eggs plus 1 cup of milk um, makes 12 waffles. Okay, so this is basically the equation. Okay, so we're still using gummer. Okay, we're not really using right now grams at all. Okay, we will use 1 mole equals molar mass later on. Okay, but we all main thing is mole ratio. A mole ratio bottom line is just that you're trying to go from one equation to another one. Okay, because you're trying to figure out if you add this much in here, how much will it come out in here. Okay, so that's how much it's yielding. Okay, okay, so let's get started with the given. The given is 5 eggs. Okay, so here problem number 3, how much milk must be used with 5 eggs? So this is 5 eggs. Okay, and of course your unknown is milk, so we don't know the milk. Okay, and then your U over G. So now I'm doing more like acronyms. Okay, so that is just division. Your unknown, all you're gonna need is milk. Okay, milk, and then the given is just for the eggs. You just need the units. Now the numbers you get them from up here. Okay, so unknown the milk that will be the one. You need 1 cup of milk, and then you need 2 eggs, right? 2 eggs. Okay, so now we are ready. We are ready to do our conversion. And again, we're just doing one steppers. Okay, so in here, we start always with our given, no matter what. So it will be 5x. Okay, now keep in mind there's nothing down here, or you could just put a 1. It doesn't matter. Okay, so in here, all you do is just put the mole ratio. Now, how do I know that this is next? Because x is on the bottom. Okay, so since x is on the bottom, I know that this will go here. Okay, so x will be 2x and then 1 milk, right? And then, of course, milk, you see how it's unknown, the last one, and on the top, given always starts in the beginning. So anyways, so we are ready to solve. So these cancel out, of course. So it would be, so keep in mind we could use this as parentheses. 1 divided by 2 equals 0.50, and then you can just multiply it by 5 equals 2.5 cups of milk. And that will be your answer.